Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the unit is fully powered down and locked out for safety. This prevents startup while you work. Once done, you relieve system pressure and wait for the oil to cool to a safe handling temperature. Hot oil increases burn risk. You position your catch under the drain and loosen the drain plug with the correct wrench. Let the oil flow until the stream thins. While it drains, inspect the old oil color and smell to detect contamination or wear metals. With most oil drained, you remove the oil filter or cartridge next. This clears trapped contaminants that would re-enter fresh oil. Make sure to scrape and clean the filter housing and inspect the rubber seal for cuts or deformation. Contaminated seals cause leaks. Once clean, fit the new filter, lubricate the seal with a bit of fresh oil, and tighten to the specified torque or hand tight plus a quarter turn. Then close the drain plug securely so you can begin controlled refilling. You refill the crankcase to the sight glass mark using the manufacturer's specified oil grade and viscosity. This ensures proper lubrication and thermal stability. Once filled, run the compressor for a short interval to circulate oil and build pressure, then shut it down and recheck the level. Top up is needed. Make sure to inspect for leaks at the drain, filter, and seals. If oil pressure stays low or oil looks milky, stop. That indicates air intrusion or coolant contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.